Hello.
Welcome to our channel. Hello kids. Today we are going to learn the letters A, B, and C by drawing delicious fruits. Get your pencils ready and let's get started. First, let's draw the letter A. Next, let's draw the letter B. Then, let's draw the letter C. Now, let's add some delicious fruits to our letters. Let's start with A for apple. Next, draw a nice smooth round shape to make the apple. Then, add pretty green leaf. Now, let's draw B for banana. Start by drawing one big curved banana. Then, right next to it, add half a banana attached to it. And now, let's draw C for cherry. First, draw two little stems. Next, add two nice round shapes to make the cherries. Then, add a pretty green leaf. Wow! They look beautiful! Green. Great!
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Green. Apples are crunchy, juicy, and very good for your body. Red. They contain vitamins that help keep us healthy and full of energy. Tell me, do you like apples? Red, green, or yellow? Which color do you like best? Orange. Bananas give us lots of energy to play, run, and learn.
Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo.
They are rich in potassium and important vitamins for our bodies.
Blue, little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Yellow.
Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Skip
It looks like a little banana family.
Skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Blue.
partner, what'll I do?
Cherries are small, sweet, and full of vitamins that help keep our bodies strong and healthy.
Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Turquoise,
Skip to my Lou, Lou, Lou. Skip to my Lou, Lou, Lou. Skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling.
pink, wow, they look beautiful.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily.
What about you?
Is but
Which fruit do you like best?
row, row, row your boat gently down the
Apple,
stream.
banana, or cherry?
Merrily, merrily, life is but a dream.
Great job, little artists. Good. Today we learned A for apple, B for banana, C for cherry. Let's take a picture. Keep drawing, keep learning, and most of all, have fun. See you next video. Keep drawing, keep learning with